Hi, very good afternoon. Welcome to Agently. Today we are off Hennur Main Road, that is in Asha Township, right next to Purva Palm Beach and very close to upcoming Nimhans Nimhan Center, that is North Campus. So there is a triplex 4 BHK villa plus ground floor you have 2 BHK. So distance wise it is very closer to North Campus, then Hennur Main Road and Purva Palm Beach, and upcoming PRR is just 800 meters from here. So it is not that closer as well, and it is from here 800 meters away, so not an issue. So this is gated layout with all basic amenities like clubhouse, swimming pool, and all the basic amenities is there with totally gated layout. So the total it is around 100 acres Asha Township. So here there is a corner villa which is northwest facing. So this side you have north facing road and this side you have west facing road. So total dimensions of the plot is 1460 square feet, 61 square feet, and total built up is 4500 square feet. So this side it comes around 33 feet, then here 35, behind it is 36, and that side on the east it is 49.5. So it comes like northeast is extended, this side it will be extended, north facing, west facing. So basically this is having ground floor, you have good parking, two entries, from here one entry and from here one entry. The ground floor you have total half of the parking area, then you have one 2 BHK for office use or else rental purpose. Then first floor you have north facing entry, you have living area with open roof sunroofing, living area, then puja room, kitchen, one bedroom, then washing area. Second floor you have family area, then two bedrooms, both are attached washrooms, and on the third floor you have one bedroom, or it can be used as a home theater. So first floor one bedroom, second floor two, and third floor one, then open terrace you have. So let's go inside and have a look. So this is north facing elevation. So here you have one gate for entrance, and here one gate, and other side one gate with Fundamax cladding is there. Then here you have natural stone cladding. So let's go inside and have a look. So this is total parking area. So next you have a rental income house. Same builder is constructed. So that's where if you record, you can purchase even that. With this you can stay here and rent out houses here. So water you have 12,000 tank, 12,000 liters tank with layout water supply. Every morning you get water. So this is north facing entrance, 2 BHK in ground floor, can be rented out. Here you have one bedroom, this is second bedroom with attached washroom, this is common washroom, kitchen, here you have puja room. So here you have gas connections has been given like pipeline. You can place gas here on the ground floor. All high quality material is being used. So there is SS railing and granite flooring. So this is north facing entrance with marble cladding, and here you have SS railing with toughened glass, and this is how it looks surroundings. It's very peaceful, and as it is a gated society, there is no much vehicle movements. So this is entry of 4 BHK triplex villa. So this is living area. Then you have hand wash dining area. On the left hand side you have puja room, then washing area, kitchen. This side you have one bedroom. Then way to second floor. So this is where natural stone cladding is being done with sunroofing. So here gardening also can be done. It is having 14 pillars, so easily here gardening can be done. So huge living area with overlooking gallery. So it is not furnished. So this is puja room, hand wash area, then this is kitchen, and this is washing area for washing machine and so here you have storage space, and this is first bedroom of 4 BHK villa. As it's a corner house, very good ventilation. So all the bedrooms has attached washroom. All fittings are of Jaguar and Serra. So this is first floor, living area, bedroom, dining area, hand wash area, kitchen, washing area, puja room. You can see good ventilation as it is corner. Good ventilation is there. So let's go to first floor. This is the second floor. This is granite anti-skid. So this is family area and overlooking gallery you have here. This is one bedroom and this is one master bedroom. All high-end fittings. This is wet area for shower, and this side we have dry area separately. and concealed water closet. So this will be second bedroom of duplex triplex villa. This is the third bedroom. So this was third bedroom, and this is family area. And here you have balcony. So here toughened glass has been placed. You have shade. You can see the surroundings. Opposite it is totally developed. Even all the houses are there. So we are on second floor. So third floor you have fourth bedroom or convertible into home theater with attached washroom. So this is way to terrace, open terrace, and this is fourth bedroom of 4 BHK triplex villa or convertible into home theater. This side home theater, it can be placed, projector on the top, and here you have one washroom with wet area and dry area, concealed water closet. So this is open terrace. So above you have tank. So here you get good space for utilization. So this is west facing road, and this side you have north facing road. Here you have washing area, and this is near tank room we are going. So here easily solar can be placed, solar water heaters. So if you see that side you have Salapuria Satwa Gold Summit, then this side Purvakara Palm Beach, right opposite to that you have Nimhan's northern campus, and if you see on the left you have Hennur main road. So ground floor, this is totally 4 BHK plus 1 2 BHK. Ground floor 1 2 BHK. First floor you have living area, bedroom, puja room, kitchen, then washing area, plus sunroofing, which is with stone cladding. Then second floor you have 2 bedrooms with one family area. Third floor home theater or one bedroom. That will be the fourth bedroom, and open terrace, and we are standing on the tank area. So for more details you can go through the description right below the video, and to get details on your WhatsApp you can send the code which will be in the description. Thank you.